Hey, what's going on, guys? I made a video a couple weeks back on how to get 90% off your Uber Eats order, and that video got a lot of views, but it also got a lot of comments saying that when they signed up they weren't able to get that $25 off your order notification that pops up. Usually when you make a Uber Eats account, like a brand new one, what would pop up is Uber basically saying, here's $25 off your first order or something like that. Usually that pops up, but a lot of people, that didn't pop up for a lot of people. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bypass that. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get 90% off your Uber Eats order. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Uber Eats for very cheap. And when I say very cheap, I mean like less than $8. And that's a pretty generous guess. You'll probably be able to get like, you know, maybe less than 8, sometimes less than 7, so it'll be like 6 something. Or you might be able to get it for even cheaper depending on what kind of deals you have for certain restaurants around your area. So first thing you're going to want to do is head to this website right here. This is basically an emulator that'll mimic an Android device onto your computer. Now there are many different, emulators that you could use. If this one doesn't work for you in particular, I recommend you just look up emulators, Android emulators, and just see what will work for you. I'm going to be using this one because this one has worked for me. So just download the emulator of your choosing. So I'm just going to download this one, and you're basically going to want to run the installation. Alright, once this pops up, you could customize the install if you want, and you could specify exactly where you want this to be downloaded, but I'm just going to click on install now. Alright, while that's downloading, you're going to want to head to the other link in the description, and it's going to take you to this website right here. This is basically the Uber Eats application. You're not going to download it from the Play Store in the emulator. The emulator is right here. You're not going to download it in the Play Store. You're going to download it through this right here. So this is basically the application that you're just going to kind of inject into the emulator, and this is what you're going to use. This is completely safe. There's nothing you have to worry about. This is like the full updated version. As you can see, it was actually updated today. So just click on the latest version and then just click on download. Save that to wherever you want. Alright, now you're going to want to open up the emulator and drag and drop the file that we downloaded from here. So I have the file here. You're just going to want to drag and drop it, and it's going to say installing app. And if your emulator doesn't say that it's installing, it might actually be installing in the background. It's just going to take a little bit. So I'd say wait 10 minutes, and if it still doesn't pop up, then try dragging and dropping it again. Or I'll leave another link in the description where you can get the same application, but just from a different website. Now it's going to pop up right here. So now what you're going to want to do is click on Uber Eats, and you're going to want to make an account from here. I'm going to make an account real quick, and I'll start the video again when I'm finished making the account. Alright, I'm now logged in to Uber Eats, and before this tutorial continues, I just want to say you are going to have a new account for this. You can't use an account that you've already had and you've already used multiple times. It has to be a new account, and I know this question is going to pop up, so I'm just going to address this right now about the phone number. If you're not able to get a new number to use for Uber Eats, what you can do is head to a website like this. This website basically sells phone numbers that you could just use. So they're really cheap. I'm talking like a couple cents. You're still going to be able to save a lot of money once you see the savings on Uber. But just take a look at this. If I go to USA, which is the country I'm in currently right now, and then I head to just look up Uber, and it's literally going to be 73 cents to receive a verification number and all that. So it's super cheap. I still recommend doing this because you're still going to be saving a lot of money. 73 cents compared to what you're going to be saving once they show you how to do this is completely acceptable. So head back to your emulator, and your car is going to be completely empty. Right now I don't have my location on because but I'm just going to change my location to, okay, this is Washington DC, so this will pretty much work anywhere. So what you're gonna do now is, when you're gonna be searching for food, you're gonna click on this right next to the search bar, and then you're gonna want to scroll until you see from Uber Eats deals. So when you see deals, make sure you have that highlighted and click apply. If you look at the bottom and you see how it says $25 off, that's because it's my first time using this account. It's my first order. It says for your first order, enjoy $25 off, $1 minimum order. So there's no dollar minimum, because if you look on like a bunch of other videos, they're gonna say, oh, you have to use my code to get like $30 off, but you have to use them, but you have to shop with the minimum of like $25 in the for your order, and that's just gonna blow up the price even more, because you're not really getting that $30 off. It's just a lie. So your first order, you're gonna get $25 off, and you're gonna want to claim the promo. I'm not gonna click on claim the promo yet, because I'm gonna do that while I'm in my cart. So once you click on deals from the Uber Eats, you select deals and you hit apply, all of these should pop up. So what you're gonna want to do is look for the ones that say buy one get one free. So you're gonna basically get 2 for the price of 1. So I'm just gonna take a look here. Since I don't have my location on, like none of these are gonna actually deliver to me, but what you're gonna want to do is look for ones that you want, the ones that look good to you and what you want to eat. So, and I highly recommend too, you look for the ones that have this little symbol right here. That symbol basically means Uber has this like membership thing. You're not gonna actually be paying for the membership, because I got a trick for that too. You're not gonna be paying for the membership. Like the price is just gonna go down even more. So, because you're gonna get free delivery, you're gonna get some of the like the taxes, I think, like deduced. So just keep paying attention. So I'm basically just gonna pick up I'm gonna pick a restaurant here that says buy one get one free. Let's just do this burger place where it says Burger I Am. It says that I'll get a $19 dry aged beef burger. All right, let's just select that, and then you're basically gonna want to put like what you want in it. I'm just gonna select the white bun. I'm not gonna add any more onto this because this burger is already expensive as it is, and I'm just gonna click on add to cart. Now make sure it says 2, because this is a buy one get one free, so make sure it says 2, and you're gonna want to add this to your cart. All right, now that you have it in your cart, it should say that you have 2 items in your cart, and you're gonna want to click on view cart. Now it's gonna tell you that if you want to add anything onto it, like more burgers or fries or some chicken, just click on go to checkout, and it's gonna pop up again that if you want to add more stuff to your order, just click on no thanks. They're gonna keep on trying to do this to get you to spend more, but just click on no thanks. For the delivery, make sure you just add your delivery details. And for the delivery options, make sure you select the cheapest. They're gonna try to get you to pay $3 for the priority. You don't need it at all, so just click on the standard. Like I said, this is a free tutorial, so we're trying to minimize the expenses here. Now make sure you have your $20 off or whatever it was. It says for your first order. That's the one you're supposed to select. The other ones that I have here are actually promo codes. So make sure you just have the highest one, because the highest one is always going to be the first order one. And you can basically keep on redoing this with new Uber accounts. So just make sure you select the first order one and not the promo code ones, because those are going to have those aren't going to give you like the highest amount off. So I'm just going to select the $20 one where it says the $25 minimum order or whatever. I swear it was a different one. I swear I said $1, but whatever. Just select this one and click on done. So remember, this is a 2-for-1. You're going to get 2 burgers. You're going to get 2 dry aged burgers, right? I'm supposed to be getting 2 dry aged burgers because that's what I selected. It's going to say $18, and then it's going to say the promotion, and they're going to subtract the promotion. And I'm going to show you how to even chop this down even further. So right now we're at $8.45, and what you can do is head to a website like privacy.com. This is another trick to further decrease the price from $8.45. So what you can do is create an account with privacy.com, right? This is basically going to give you a virtual credit card that you could use that will it's connected to your real card, but what they're going to do is you could make it so when it's done purchasing, it won't purchase again. So you're not going to get that reoccurring monthly, because this is a subscription. So it's going to give you a free trial for the first month, and then they're going to keep on billing you every month, so you could use this subscription, right? So it's $10 a month, but you get the first month free. So what you can do, right, is create an account with privacy, connect your real card to privacy, right? And you're gonna use the fake card, like the fake card on Uber. You're still gonna get billed on your real card, but the fake card is what Uber is gonna have to bill you with, right? So make sure that you're not spending more than like $8, right? Or like $8.50 or something like that. So when it does come time to like buy it again, it'll just burn the card automatically. The card won't work anymore. So I'm just gonna show you a quick example of what I'm talking about. All right, so basically what you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna go to privacy, you're gonna make an account, and you're gonna want to click on new card. So my real card is hooked up to my privacy account, so this is how they're gonna bill me, because you actually got to pay for the food, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna basically say you want this for Uber. Like, you don't have to say that you want it for Uber, but this is just for organization purposes. And you're gonna select a monthly limit, and you're gonna select single use, and then you're gonna put the price. So I'm basically gonna put $8. So after I'm done spending the $8, or as soon as I use the card for the first time, it's gonna burn and it's not gonna work anymore. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully the way I'm explaining it makes sense. So basically, I'm only going to be able to use this once, and they're going to give you a number, an expiration date, CVV number, or whatever it's called. And after I'm done spending it for the first time, it's not going to work anymore. So they're not going to bill you for the monthly payment. So you're going to want to head back to your emulator, and you're going to basically select join Uber One. The first month is free. You can cancel it after if you just don't want to use privacy, but I'm just explaining to you what I do. So just click on join Uber One, and then you're going to want to click on try for free. Alright, now that you successfully signed up for Uber One, which is the subscription that I was talking about, this like golden banner right here, this basically gives you $0 delivery fee, so you won't get charged for delivery. I think the delivery on this one was cheap anyway, so I don't think that even matters. It says up to 10% off, and then it says like a $5 credit if they deliver it too slow or whatever, right? But this doesn't matter because the first month is free, and you're not going to be charged with the reoccurring billing that's like $10 a month because you signed up for like privacy or whatever, or you're just using like one of those debit card, gift card, those things. You could probably use those things too, but I'm not sure. I just used the privacy.com one that I got, and then I'm good to go. So click on close. Now that you can see that we went from 8 something to 6.16. So basically what Uber One did was slice the delivery fee, which I don't even know if we were getting charged that before, and they sliced the taxes and the other fees. And so basically we're not getting the subtotal, we're not getting the delivery fee, we're just paying the other fees and taxes. And since you're going to be doing this trick, make sure to tip your delivery person, whoever that is. Just tip them, because you're saving a ton of money anyways. Like, without this, we would have been paying like $25 plus. For 2 burgers, we probably would have been paying, the 2 burgers were $19. We would have been paying damn near $40 plus, not even including the delivery fee and all the other taxes and stuff. That would have been like $45. So tip your driver, whoever's delivering the food to you, tip that person. So, help them out. You're saving a ton of money anyway, so you might as well just tip them like $5, like $11 for 2 dry-aged burgers that were supposed to be $19 each. You're saving a ton of money, so tip your driver pretty good. You can basically do this trick, over and over again. I mean, if you got the numbers and stuff like that, and use another emulator, and get another Android device if you have another phone, stuff like that. So if you guys did enjoy the video, I have a lot of other videos that I think you guys might like. Check them out. If you guys did like the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.